Hi guys, my name's Julianne. Today I'm going to be sharing 3 really cool features about this Eureka WhirlWind Canister vacuum. So the first feature is that the cord is retractable. That's right, retractable. So it's literally stored inside the vacuum cleaner. You simply just press this button right here and you pull the cord out just like that. And then to store the cord again, you press the button. And just like that, it stores the cord for you. So you don't have to wrap around the cord anymore. It's absolutely amazing. So whenever you're using the vacuum, it can pull out just as much as you need. So super cool. And then the second really cool feature of this vacuum cleaner is that it's so versatile. So I'm talking, you can make this thing right here, the extender, longer or shorter, which makes it so easy to get all areas of your house, your roof, your floor, underneath the couch, all that fun stuff. Or you can even take this off and use it handheld with this attachment right here. Boom, pull out the dust brush. It's got a 2-in-1 attachment. So super cool. And then third, it has different modes for the flooring or whatever surface you're using. Right here, you can adjust it. It's on hardwood floor right now, but it's got a couch setting, it's got a carpet setting, whatever mode you need it for. It's got all those different surfaces, which is super cool. And then right here, it's got a floor tool attachment that can pull up the bristles or push them down. Right now I have them down because right now I have them up because I've been using the vacuum on hardwood surface, but you can push them down for carpet. So cool. So many different ways that you can use this vacuum cleaner. It's just so versatile, which I absolutely love. And so you can get so many different areas that were so hard to reach before. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you it really fast in action, just because I'm so excited to show you guys how powerful this vacuum cleaner is and how easy it is to use. So I'm gonna make a little bit of a mess on the table. Then I'm going to go ahead and retract my cord and plug it in. And by the way, it is a 2-prong plug, so super versatile. Let me go ahead and pull it out and plug it in. Boom, plugged in right now, and I'm going to go turn it on. Boom, in one single sweep, it picked up all of those crumbs off the hardwood surface, and as you can see, it wasn't loud at all as well. So it's a pretty quiet vacuum cleaner, super easy to store, super versatile. There's just so many cool features. I absolutely love this vacuum cleaner, and I definitely recommend it.